Hello guys, so this lesson is over area of a sector, and so I'm going to go ahead and just go to what equation we're using here. So we're using the A is equal to 1/2 r squared theta. So this is a equation you'll be given where my theta is equal to my angle in radians. So it's always going to be in radians. R is the radius, and really that's all we need. So if I wanted to find the area of these segments, well then, first I find my angle. So that's what I'm going to need first. So here, my angle is given to me in degrees, so I'm going to convert this. And I know that my conversion is this one right here. So when I do that, I could end up with 315 pi over 180, which I can reduce to, plug that in, 7 pi over 4. Okay, so when I plug it into my equation, I'm left with 1/2. My radius here is 11 feet squared, and my angle is 7 pi over 4. Okay, so this most likely you'll get a calculator for, so I'm just going to plug all this in. So 1/2 multiplied by 11 squared times 7, let's go ahead and plug that, 7 pi over 4, which equals 332.62 feet squared. So they will most likely ask you for the unit, because they'll put like two answer choices that are the same number, but you need to be on your unit. Okay, and so you'll also see these as word problems, and really this is more what you'll see. So here they say that new sod is being applied to a garden that is in the shape of a semicircle. Okay. If the radius of the garden is 5 feet, what is the amount of sod needed to cover the area? So your garden looks like this. It's a half circle. Okay. And the radius, they said, is equal to 5 feet. Okay, so the area I need is this right here. And again, I'm going to start with my angle, degrees. So I'm left with 180 pi over 180, which ends up equaling pi. So 1/2, and my radius is 5, so 5 squared times pi. So I go ahead and plug that in. Where are you, pi? There we go. Oops, I put this in the wrong order. So the area I need to cover is 39.27 feet squared. Alright guys, so that's the end of this video, and just go ahead and keep studying, and I will see you all in class.